Hello, here I would like to show you that what is the difference between the regular traditional potting or gardening of the plants versus this is the vertical style gardening. Here I am comparing these basil plants. This is called sweet basil or tulsi plants. Here you can see there are 4 tulsi plants are grown in one pot, but in vertical style you can grow more than 1 dozen. So these are more than 1 dozen of plants, and we are also getting the flower. You can see these are very nice flower are coming, so we can increase number of plants if we are planting vertical style compared to traditional style. So let's see how I made this one. I will show you in stepwise. I hope you will like my video. Thank you. Hello friends, this is a follow-up video of my this vertical style pot where I have planted more than 12 basil plants. So you can see these small plants are growing. This is the 1 week of transplanting, and then here you can see this is another small plant which is they are all keep growing. And let's see the other side how this work. So this is the biggest plant. You can see there are 2 of them and they are coming out very nicely. This is one of them, and so far from every hole the plants are growing very well, and which is nice. I will keep tracking in the next week how they work and how much they are growing. So this is the 4th week of these plants. This one is still growing, but this one got 4 new leaves. And let's see the other one. You can see this is coming very nicely. This is still coming out, and these guys are also coming. This one is coming soon. This one is also, and let's see the other side. So yay, we have a big basil plant, 2 of them here. One is coming very nicely, one is still coming out. Here is one more, and then here there are 2 of them. This one is also. So basil plants are growing very nicely in this vertical pot. So this is the 6th week, and now you can see these small plants on the top of this bucket is growing very well. And see the other guys also have almost 5 inches they are tall, and they are getting new leaves here, all these on the top, and the smaller one also you can see here. Everybody is growing. Let's see the other side. There you can see these all 3 are growing very well. So let's see the other side what is going on here, and that's it. So you can see this is also nicely growing. So all the plants which are on the top, they are really growing well, and the small plants which are at the bottom, they are slowly coming out, but they are very nicely. And these are 2 small tiny guys are also coming out. So this is the very nice 6th week, and vertical gardening system is working very nice. We'll see next week. So here we reach up to 8 weeks, and now you can see these plants on the top, they grow almost 5 to 6 inches, and the other guy is also getting very good. Big leaves are coming, and new one, this one, the other side, and this side also, they are getting very big, and smaller plants are also nicely coming. Here is this guy is very big, is still coming, and these two. So every day I'm moving one side in the sun so that it can grow and grow. We'll check out in the next week. Hello, so this is the 12th week of these plants, and now you can see they are growing very well. Some new leaves are coming here, and the top is also very good. Outside plants are growing almost over 2 feet, but this smaller one are still growing slow, but they are getting new leaves. Let's see the other side. Very nice. You can see new plants are coming from here, and this small one is also grows very well up to this height, almost over a feet. Now you can see how the pot look like overall. We'll see next week. So now you can see this is the 16th week. It's almost nearly 4 months of these plants. So they grow almost 3 feet, or you can see this plant is little bit damaged, but flowers are coming out here, and in other the very soon the flower is coming out here, you can see. Let's see the other side. And here you can see these small plant from the bottom, they are also growing very well. Some of the leaves burn, I think because of this too much strong sun here. Otherwise they are growing very well. So we can grow many plants in, you can see how it's nicely look like. Many plants in vertical style in one pot. Hello, so today we have completed these plants, 19th week, and you can see they are very well grown, and here we have some flowers also. And if you see in the other, you can see here flower is also coming, and in this one also is coming, this one also is coming. Here we also have. So all these plants are growing very well. Let's see the other side. And if you see the other side, you can see this small one, some flower came and the seeds are already dried, so they are ready to grown as well. So this is, I think, very well nourished plant.